Hi, my name is Margaret Wing. I'm the CEO for the Alberta Pharmacists Association. And today I've come with my colleague, Crystal Wienick, the Association's Manager of Pharmacy Programs and Special Projects. Say hi, Crystal.
Hi.
In past years, we've tried to make this orientation talk fun and be very interactive. So today we've been challenged to figure out exactly how to do that in a virtual environment. So we decided to ask Emma, who's Crystal's daughter, to help us out with some artwork that she's provided us for today's presentation. This is unrehearsed, so if it goes poorly, I apologize. If it goes well, well, that'll be even more surprising. One of the first things you will learn in pharmacy school is all the acronyms that are used in the profession. Obviously, one would just assume that the Alberta Pharmacists Association would be shortened to APA. However, in Alberta, APA means Additional Prescribing Authorization. The acronym for the association is actually RxA. It's Crystal's job today to remind you of the association's acronym throughout this presentation using Emma's drawings. Because if you ever refer to the association as APA, well, either you're not from the pharmacy profession or we have failed miserably today in delivering this presentation. So here we go. First, let's start with congratulations. I want to welcome you into the profession of pharmacy. And I truly mean that. This has now become your profession. Over the next few years, you're going to be creating some amazing memories. As you begin your studies, I'm sure you will explore what it really means to be a professional, a healthcare provider, and a pharmacist. Essentially, at the end of the next several years, you'll be gaining all the knowledge, skill, and abilities necessary for you to practice pharmacy as you enter your profession as a pharmacist. Being a professional carries a great deal of responsibility, and it also carries a lot of autonomy in making decisions for patients and better health for the patient, care for the patients you'll be looking after. As you move forward in your studies, you'll become experts in your field. You'll begin your journey towards becoming medication experts. And when you enter practice, you'll be expected to practice your profession to the fullest extent within your expanded scope of practice. But what happens when decisions are made which are beyond your individual control, that impact your profession, your practice, and your ability to be an exceptional pharmacist? What happens when decisions like this get made without anyone consulting pharmacists to understand how they might impact your pharmacy practice, how they might be detrimental to the profession, or the viability and sustainability of your pharmacy practice? These are some of the primary roles that the Alberta Pharmacists Association plays each and every day, advocating for you and on behalf of all pharmacists in this province. The work we are doing today will result in a better practice environment that exists when you graduate and enter practice. Many years ago, I was sitting in your seat. Well, not physically where you are right now. I started this journey in the same place as you are right now. Well, not physically where you are right now. I was accepted into the Faculty of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences at the U of A. I was going to become a pharmacist, and now you are all going to become pharmacists. And it's a very exclusive club. It will absolutely change your life, because you will now be in the position to make positive changes to so many other people's lives throughout your career. And Alberta offers such a unique practice environment for pharmacists, in part because of the work the association has done to advance the profession. As Alberta pharmacists, we can't and won't settle for status quo. To give you an example, pharmacists in Alberta are the only ones in Canada right now that are assessing, screening, and testing asymptomatic individuals for COVID. And the government is paying pharmacists to do this essential work. That has only come to be because of the advocacy efforts of RxA. Before we wrap up this presentation, I can't leave without giving you all a little piece of advice. Your studies are important. School is important. But there is so much more to being a professional than just studying. Our profession is about people and helping people. So find a way to become more involved and be more than just your studies. Get involved with RxA, your student representative organization. In short, become active in your profession. You will hear many people tell you that this is your profession. It really is. It might be difficult to see that right now, but you will need to champion the profession as those of us like myself get old and retire. You should have a frowny face. Sitting where you are right now, well, not physically where you are right now, I could never have imagined that my career would take me into the role and the position I have right now with RxA. But if you want to know how I've got where I am and where Crystal is, or your instructors are, or any of the pharmacists or preceptors you meet throughout your career, then get involved. Be ready to say yes instead of no. Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone and to embrace what scares you. You're going to learn a lot about yourself over the next few years, and I look forward to meeting the extraordinary pharmacists you're going to become. So before we go, I'm happy to let you know you'll all be eligible to sign up for complimentary membership for RxA. But if after all this you can't remember anything I've said or we've done, trust me, there are a lot of acronyms in pharmacy. So let's make it simple. When you think of RxA, what you really just need to remember is, poster, we're a really excellent association. Final credits on the poster go to Lynn Lee, right? Lynn Lee, pharmacist class of 2020. Best of luck. Hope to meet you all soon.